Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at the Hang Seng Index as well as Alibaba. So without further ado, let's take a look at the charts. So as you can see, the Hang Seng Index is pretty bearish, and as you can see, we have been on a downtrend for pretty while. So looking at the support as the next support, the 18,000 psychological support has already been broken down. So in the event that we can't climb back above it next week, things may start to turn worse, and we may see more selling pressure ahead. So from a low of around 14.5K to a high of 22.7K, the next Fibonacci support is not too far away at 38.2%. We're looking at 17.6, 17.7K here. So in the event that this were to break down, we're looking towards a 17,000 psychological support level and even potentially testing this 23.6% at 16.5K. Looking at the resistance on the way up, we're looking at 18.6K as the first resistance. Thereafter will be 19.1K as the cloud resistance. So let's take a look at the Hang Seng Tech. So the Hang Seng Tech is slightly stronger. As you can see, we have yet to test this low of around 3563 levels. And looking at the recent high was around 4688 levels. So currently now it is 30.2%, around 3993 levels. So in the event that we break down the 3993, things may start to turn bearish. We're looking towards 3829 or even potentially retesting this low at 3563. Also, as you can see, we are looking at this cloud support coming in. So if this cloud support can hold, that'll be a good sign. And as you can see, there was this previous cloud support here where we actually bounced off this cloud support here. So looking at the resistance on the way up, we're looking at the first resistance at 4220, and thereafter will be around 4340 levels. So now next, let's take a look at Alibaba. So for Alibaba, it has also fallen quite a bit. Looking at the support levels from low of 77.7 to high of around 102.5. We are at the 38.2% at 87.22 levels. So this level is very critical and we have to hold it. In the event that we do not hold it, we may see a further sliding of around $4 to around 83.61, even potentially retesting back this $77 in the event that $80 psychological support do not hold. And currently now we are exactly at the cloud support level. So if this cloud support level do not hold, then it's likely for us to break down further. As for the resistance, the first resistance and the second resistance is pretty near. It's around $94. So let's take a look at 9988, the one listed in Hong Kong. So a pretty similar situation. Recent high was around the $100 psychological resistance, and the recent low was around 75.80. So 38.2% is approaching pretty soon. At $85, we may potentially see next week, or we may see support or bouncing off this cloud support level here. And in the event that we do not see bouncing off this support level, we may see the next support being tested at 81.50 or even seeing us breaking down $80 to see 75.80. As for now, the two resistance we are looking for is around 92 and $93. So overall, it's pretty bearish for the Chinese stocks as well as the index itself. In the event that buyers do not step back in next week, we may see more selling pressure ahead. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.